Hello student, I am Sandeep Singh and today I am going to explain about the temperate grassland, the exercise of this lesson. Okay, so let's start now. First we look at the summing up. Summing up means some important lines are occurs from these lesson which are the main point of the lesson. Okay, so let's start now. Natural grassland covered large part of the temperate zone. As you know that the grassland lies between temperate zone and it is a cover with large part of the region. As you know that in northern hemisphere it is a very vast extent of the grassland like steppes and prairies in North America, while in southern hemisphere it is very small in size and it is also located near the sea. The temperate grassland extend between 23.5 degree and 66.5 degree both in northern and southern hemisphere. They are known by different name in different places. Before this I have already explained you that the temperate grassland extend between 23.5 degree north and 66 degree half and north and south, both hemisphere, northern and southern hemisphere extend. Okay, and these grassland are known as in different places in different names like in Eurasia. Eurasia means Asia and Europe means it is called steppes. In North America, USA and Canada, the extent of the grassland is called prairies. In South America, Argentina and Brazil, it is called pampas. And in Africa, it is known as veld. Okay, and in Australia, downs. Okay, so these are the different name of the grassland in different region. Temperate grassland are found in areas with short summer and long winter. In temperate grassland area, the summer is very short but winter is long. They receive enough rainfall to support the growth of different kind of grasses. In this region, the rainfall is very low, but it is enough to growth of the grass. Here there is no trees are found, so this region also known as treeless grassland. Okay, the grassland of the northern hemisphere different from the grassland of southern hemisphere in location, extent and climate. The climate of the northern hemisphere grassland and southern hemisphere grassland are differentiate, as the in northern hemisphere grassland the winter is very long and summer is very short, while in southern hemisphere the summer is long and winter is very short. Okay, so there are differences between northern hemisphere grassland and southern hemisphere grassland. The grasslands used to lightly populated by nomadic or semi-nomadic groups. The grassland lightly populated by nomadic semi means half. It means that they are used to different modern means of tools, so they are also called semi-nomadic. They used modern means of tools and also lived in forest. Later the European brought the huge stretches of the grassland under cultivation. These grassland captured by the European traders, and these semi-nomadic people are gathered to in a center of the these grassland. Wheat, maize and cotton are the main crop grown here today. Okay, livestock ranching and other important activities, while we raise different types of animal in a large number of animals like sheep, goats, and different types of animal called ranches. Okay, so ranching is important activity in this region. Horses, cattle, sheep are main animals raised. Unwise agriculture practices are causing great damage to grassland. Due to the extension of agriculture, this region, the grassland region, is now fade out due to the spread of the agriculture. Now you look at the exploring new world. Grasslands. It means that vast stretches of flat land where the mainly grass grow. A vast area that grasses, different type of grasses grow in this region, that is called grassland. It is used to grazing the animals who have ranching in these areas. Okay, extinction, when all members of group die, species of any things, living things, has to no more in a large group, that is called extinction. Plugging, digging up the land, prepare it sowing seed. When we cultivated the ground and sow the different types of seeds called plugging. Sowing, plantation seed in ground. When we plant the seed in ground called planting. Sowing. Harvesting means when we separate the grain from the crops, that is called harvesting. Threshing, separating the grain from stock plant. And ranch, a large of North America, Australia, where cattle are animals raised. Different types of animals raised in America or Australia, that is called a ranch. Known as Estenska in South America. Cowboy, a person especially when a people ranch in large number, that is called cowboy. In North America, who take care livestock in ranch, known as gaucho in South America. These people in North America called cowboy, while in South America it is called gaucho. Okay, now next, the fill in the blanks. You have to fill the suitable word in these fill. So let start now. As very few trees grow here, the grassland are known as the places where grow the grassland only, grasses only, called the answer is temperate. In first places you should write here temperate. In second, grassland. Okay, in the first question, as very few trees grow here, the grassland are known as the temperate grasslands. Okay, next question, use herds of used once grazed prairies. When the herds of bison, it is a bull or buffalo, type of buffalo which lived in the grassland, it is called bison. Okay, so prairies, these people they graze in prairies. Cotton and are the main crops in the grassland. Which types of crops are grown in the grassland region? So the answer is cotton, wheat and maize. Maize means corn, are grow in this region, in it means prairie region. Okay, now next is animal herder card take care livestock in prairies. So what is called the animal herder in prairies? So the answer is cowboys. Okay, cowboys called in prairies which herd the animal in prairies. Okay, next is gathering ripe crop from field known as, when ripe crop gathering to the field, it is called harvesting. Okay, harvesting. When we cutting the crops and to gather the grain, it is called harvesting. Next question, the Stanikas are used ranches. Okay, ranches where cattle and sheep are raised. Okay, in next question, choose the correct answer. Student, here are some options are given to you and you should choose the correct answer of these options. Okay, so first question is, the temperate grassland are known as the temperate grassland in Australia known as the downs. Okay, next question, the temperate grassland receive around of rainfall and snow in a year. So it is low rainfall region. So here 25 to 100 centimeter rainfall here. Next question, the is flightless bird and second largest bird after the ostrich. Which bird is second largest bird after ostrich? That is emu. Emu is the second largest bird after the ostrich. The tent of Kyrgyz is called. The Kyrgyz people built a tent to live in called yurt. Okay, sorry, yurt. Okay, next question. Once again, the tent of the Kyrgyz is called the yurt. Next question, in the Pampas, cattle and sheep are raised in huge ranches is called. In Pampa region, the people who ranch the animal, raise the animal, called the gaucho. Okay, so in this section, that's all. In next video we will explain about the question answer and you have to write these question in your CW copy and fair copy. Goodbye.